Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel All in 1K, and in this video we're gonna discuss about why we use Python. First of all guys, access the playlist and bookmark it for this amazing Python series. So without getting any further delay, let's get started. Why we use the Python. So friends, there are many reasons for we can use Python. So our first reason is Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. And Python has syntax that allows developer to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that the code can be executed as soon as possible. That means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way.